We are here at the, what is the name?
Right there.
No.
Look,
Oh,
look behind you.
okay. We are here, Bali Reptile Park. So you can see in front of me one snake. I'm gonna touch
Python.
and feel. How it's gonna be. Oh my god, I'm scared. Snakes are very dangerous. So come. Yeah. Oh my god.
He's not poisonous. He is just gonna squeeze, you know, if
If he's gonna squeeze very hard then.
feels good, right?
Iguana, the red iguana.
They are also dangerous.
No.
This is the one, if the king cobra, if it bites you, you are gonna die like in 10 or 15 minutes, right?
Actually 35 minutes.
35 minutes.
Yeah. The small crocodile from Africa, and that's maximum size.
Look at the tongue, I want to see. He was showing before, now he's not. Yeah.
They are poisonous.
No, but
Just-
people in Papua think it's a poisonous lizard,
Oh.
but actually it's not poisonous.
He's just biting for his defense?
Yeah, biting and hiding.
Oh, okay.
Days back then, I need to days back then.
now we are in turtle area where turtle are living in this park. So I'm gonna show you Indonesian turtle, so you can see.
Yeah. Go on.
This is your Indonesian turtle, and I'm gonna show you South America turtle. It is compared to very huge from the Indonesian turtle. So
How cute.
South American turtle. You can see how. Oh my God. Very pretty and very heavy, like 10 kg. It is above to 10 kg, right?
Yeah.
The weight, yeah. It is like above to 10 kg, the weight. So,
Cute.
okay. We are here at the crocodile area. This is the largest crocodile in the world, Crocodilus porosus.
Yeah.
The name of this crocodile. So they are feeding chicken like every Wednesday, 10 chicken each crocodile. Don't bite me, please. No.
Not bite. Seriously, not bite.
Cute, right?
Yeah.
See how cute is his tail?
Yeah.
It is a boy or a girl?
It's a boy.
Okay, can you take?
I
So this is our end video of the Reptiles Park. So guys, if you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, share this video friends, family, and hit the bell icon to get a notification when we are gonna upload video on YouTube. You are gonna get a notification immediately. So thank you for watching our video and keep support.